He's gonna spawn like right here, and I'm gonna bash his head with a rock as soon as he gets here.
He is.
There he
He's
is.
on his hands and knees.
Oh, I'm currently throwing up.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, you're
My pack.
you're impervious, man. What's up?
I'm still in some sort of animation. There we go. Oh, you're the guy with the silver jacket.
Is it? Oh yeah.
I'm the guy with the silver jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like the villain.
Kind
Yeah.
of like
That's cool. Y'all better watch
So
out.
what's the deal with multiplayer? Is it one Kevlar? One Kevlar? Is it one Kelvin?
Same difference.
Yeah,
For all of us.
Same.
yeah, we
okay.
share all the share the Kelvin.
God mode on. Add all items.
Yeah, okay, let's cheat stick it.
Cheat stick? What the fuck is that?
Oh, do we have to teach Monkey?
Yep. Okay, monkey. Don't do anything. Stand perfectly still. Type the word cheat stick. CHEATSTICK. And type add all items.
Oh, I see it.
See if God mode works. Oh, damn. Sure does.
Holy shit, yeah, that's worked.
Okay, F1 again.
Speedy.
Oh, yeah. SPEED, speedy run on.
Speedy run on.
Okay,
Okay.
let's roll.
Then we can run
Wow,
really
that's
fast.
fucking fast.
Yeah, and you
Oh,
can
shit,
when you
okay.
jump, you fly. So
Holy
we can
shit.
get to the top of the mountain quick. When you
Okay.
get around the trees.
Oh, I tried to get you.
Oh, Monkey went flying past.
Oh shit, I'm up at the camp already.
Monkey, when you're ready, you could just do speedy run off, so you're not
Yeah.
fucking flying all over the goddamn place.
Yeah. I'm enjoying it at the moment, but I imagine it's going to get a bit tricky.
So like that,
Yeah.
right? That works. God damn it. Sorry. It won't fucking let me do it, man. I want to put a fucking pole right there.
Rob's having a fark at moment over here.
Dude, you guys better come fucking fix this before I fucking blow the game up.
What are you trying to do?
I
You're
need
trying to get this to level up.
this to go like this. And then I need to put a pole on top of it. No, I need to put a quarter log on top of that. Oh, I got it. Thank God.
Chop it. Oh. That's it. And that. Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
That's it.
Perfect.
Ugh. I was about to lose my shit. Okay, let's see. Where's Monkey at? There he is.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, is this the Bible? I've just been stoned to death.
Right, I'm going to go
So-
and get another beer and have a cigarette, and I'll be back
I was
soon.
thinking, I was thinking about getting a beer too. Trying to push him off, but
Let's just build around them. Just build them into something.
oh yeah. We gotta do that. Let's do it right now. There you go.
Some logs.
I need,
So good.
I need a log. There we go. Well, I want to throw a bunch of shit down there.
Molotovs.
Spawn item, leg, 50. Spawn item, arm, 50. Spawn item, head, 50.
Oh my god. Oh, that's like hell.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That looks like hell. That's like something out of the Saw movies. Oh shit.
There you go.
That's a lot of legs. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. It's just like red. Let me screenshot this.
Literally hell on earth.
Yeah. I'm in hell. I just allowed to get out. Jesus, there's just like legs and skulls and... What the fuck?
Oh dear. Oh shit.
We literally blown half the base up.
Oh man, I know I'm an asshole, but
Oh, it's looking nice up here. It's looking good. It's starting to take shape.
you pressed T again.
T. Go.
Oh shit, I've got that thing out. A fucking walkie-talkie.
That's a Kev thing to do.
Oh, it really is.
I didn't even notice it was in my hand. I was just...
Kev, you should do that in the other one, the old one, because it
Yeah, I
was
still do
there
it
it
all
is.
the time.
It was the Q button
Yeah.
in the old one. There we go. I think I got it.
Oh, nice.
Maybe. Yep. And then
Oh, yeah,
we need
nice.
to cut that to a quarter log. Oh shit. Nope. I keep sliding down the hill. Here you go, Kev.
Oh, okay, so then we built. Yeah, nice. Well done.
Oh shit.
Up there.
Can you throw me a full log? Anybody?
Yep. Oh.
Nice.
Hang on.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah,
Looking good,
that's
man.
it.
Looking good.
Thank you.
Nice.
Shit. I think that'll at least even it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Perfect.
Yes. Brilliant.
I wouldn't mind taking this part out right here to make it match up.
Might as well. Yeah.
Wait.
We need to take two. Two
Yeah,
lots
two rows. Okay.
out.
Is it a bird? Is it a
Super
plane?
jump. Way.
That's a short right there. Ooh, I found another duplication glitch. There it is. Do you see that? Yep. That is a duplication glitch. Let me see if I can do that again. Now I gotta digress. Why do I always gotta do that? You've built a stair right here, so it thinks that there's a wall here. So if you take a rock and try to put it right there, what happens?
Oh yeah. Yeah, red.
Go ahead and click.
Red arrow.
Click again. And again. And again. Rock duplication.
There you go.
Hey, there's a short. Who wants it?
Nah, that's all yours, Rob.
That's your thing, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's kind of my claim to fame. Find a thing, break the
Yeah.
thing. Find the thing, break the thing, show everybody how to break the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is fine by me. Hey, Kev, is there any chance you can change the time again?
Yeah.
Please. Is it dark for you, monkey? Or getting dark?
Starting to, yeah, sun's gone down.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah! Jeez. God. Bitch. That's not what I wanted at all. God damn it.
Oh.
That's really fucks me up about building in this game. It's like, how could you not know that's not what I wanted? You know? Man, I would pick up the accent so fast. I really would.
T's take up too much time.
T's are for losers.
What are you talking about? I am thirsty and I need water.
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 There's just this one fucking bit that won't... Why is that? Why? What? Yeah, why won't that snap there? That's weird. It does it on the opposite side, but...
Stones lying
Well,
around,
I mean, you could do that.
Yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah, that works. Yeah,
Do you want to close that off? Put like a little window there or something? Instant book build on. And you can do a bed. Or whatever you want to do.
Oh, first time I looked at my books, I got to wait for the animation.
Oh, for fuck's sakes. I hate that shit.
Yeah.
Everything has an animation and it's like, yo, I just want the shotgun. I need the shotgun. Like, typically if I go to my inventory for a shotgun, it's because I need it. You know?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, let's do a bed. Where's the bed? There it is. Stick bed. I'm going to put it in here, this little corner for now.
How tall are we going with this thing?
This is it, I'd say. So this is only going to be too high in the middle, then the two corners are going to go a bit higher for the turrets.
Alright. You're the boss.
That's the plan.
Oh, I'm glad you have a plan, because I don't. I'm just building. I built a back deck. A porch.
Cool.
A patio. What do you call it?
Nice.
Yeah. Patio,
Porch,
porch.
yeah.
Porch is, I'd say it's at the front of the house. That's what I'd say anyway.
Semantics.
Okay, well, my English is terrible.
You are English, though.
Yeah, but I was in the bottom class at school in English.
I don't know why that's funny, but it is.
That is funny.
My English grammar and shit is terrible.
My English grammar and shit is terrible.
Yeah. I'm filling these windows up a bit at the bottom because it looks too open from the front.
Fair enough. I've got the bottom floor cleaned up, I think.
Cool.
Need to probably put in a door over here and a door over here. Kev's not he's not nearly as drunk as I thought he was gonna be.
No, I don't know how. I think I'm becoming immune to beer. Actually, no, it's going to get in the way of the stairs, doesn't it, if I do that? Oh, we can get rid of the beams. Oh, shit.
That was awesome.
Alright.
No, it's not.
It's looking
I
pretty
like
good.
that, what you're doing there.
That work for you?
Actually, yeah. Make a slope.
Whoa. I just fucked something up and I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. I'm gonna let you find it on your own.
I see it. What the fuck?
I don't know, man.
The floor's gone wonky.
Yeah, I tried to take something out, but it didn't
So
fucking,
we
you know, it
can't
didn't.
really get to that floor anyway. Oh, we can. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, every time.
Right, let's do fly mode and have a look what this looks like. I don't know, what's it called in this one? It's not fly mode, is it? It's
Free camera.
free camera.
Free camera on. Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, I saw that. You're gonna miss, dude.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Completely.
Yeah, I've still got that forest music going in the background. Just over and over.
Oh, I turned my sound off a long time ago.
Yeah, I've got it really low, but I could just hear the piano just tinkling away in the background now and again.
It's nice though, isn't it?
It is nice, but not 2 hours worth of over and over. Yeah.
You're going to be dreaming of that tonight.
Yeah.
The grand entrance.
Yeah.
Ugh. Ugh. Can't make it.
Oh, yeah. Can I reach that? I can't reach it from there.
You should be able to. Yeah, you can.
Oh. Okay. Yay! Missed.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It'd be cool if I could make that like 2 or 3 wide.
Maybe take the night V on that thing. That'd be cool.
Oh yeah. It won't work.
No, it won't.
The idea would be cool. Oh, I was trying to get
Out of my way.
Literally landed right in front of you.
Oh man, it's so junk. Did you see me like just chopping against everything?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It looked okay until you got to the joining bridge. Okay, I feel like there. Oh no, it's facing me.
Oh
Dick.
god.
And that was really wonky as well.
Jesus.
Chill. Okay.
You got this, Kev.
There.
No.
No?
Sort of. Maybe. No.
Well, can you put a... no, you're gonna go back a little bit more.
Maybe get the wall down, see what it looks like.
Is it not? So if I put a wall down, it's not flush enough, right?
There we go. Now we're chilling.
Yeah.
We need some...
Hey, it's looking good, man.
We need some torches, man. That's what we need. This is ridiculous.
Anyway. I'm going to save it.
I mean that. Big camera mode.
Damn it. Oh, fuck. I killed myself.
Oh.
I killed myself. So E to
Right, read
respawn.
it.
God damn, man. They put you on the... They take you all the way to the bottom.
Now I'm going to kill Monkey.
That's what you think.
Oh shit. Oh, nice. Was that a grenade? Brilliant. Perfect timing.
Oh shit.
Okay, can one of you guys press F2 and tell me what zone that is?
Zone. Where's zone? What column is that in?
Third column.
Zone. MK.
MK, okay.
Yeah, I want to come back and see what's happened. So what, is it just go to? F1 go to zone.
Yeah, F1, go to zone, and then whatever you
F1,
just
sorry,
said. I can't remember what you said.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Go to... I think I said MK.
Oh, man. Don't forget to pick up your backpack first.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
There's
thing.
loads of them here.
Turn on God mode.
Oh, do you have to cheat stick again?
No.
No. I got some like red writing on my screen. Something's gone wrong.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, I can't select anything out of my inventory now.
Yeah, you broke it, monkey.
Damn.
Oh, my super jump's still on. Oh, clearly no God mode because I killed myself. Okay, I'll leave it there then.
Not before I come kill you.
I'm already dead.
No, you're not dead. Let's see where you are. You're right here.
I'm respawning. Oh, this is the one with all the radios.
Yeah, like the 900 fucking radios.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They can't decide what music they like. Oh, that's why it's... Yeah, okay, it's hard mode. That's why there's so many of them. Shit, they're gonna kill me. Oh, she's dancing. Should we kill them? Oh, you killed me.
Worth it. That was funny. Alright, that's a good stopping point.
Yeah, I'm out of here. I'll get out of this game. Good to catch up. Yeah, well, looking forward to Alpha 21.
Yeah,
And we
that
can-
should be fun.